What if I told you that many marriages don't fall apart because of infidelity, money problems, or major betrayals, but because of conversations that never happened, words spoken carelessly, and hearts that slowly stopped listening? Many Christian couples pray together, worship together, and raise children together, yet quietly drift apart because communication has broken down. Today, we are talking about 5 communication mistakes that are silently ruining marriages, and how, through God's wisdom, they can be healed and restored. This message is not meant to judge anyone. It is meant to heal hearts, strengthen homes, and remind us that marriage is sacred. The first communication mistake is choosing silence instead of honest conversation. Many spouses believe staying quiet keeps the peace. Instead of saying, "Yeah, this hurts me," they stay silent. Instead of addressing issues, they bury them. But silence does not heal, it creates distance. In Christian marriages, silence is sometimes mistaken for patience or humility, but unspoken pain slowly turns into resentment, and resentment builds walls between hearts. The fix is simple but powerful. Speak the truth in love. Pray before you speak. Choose the right time. Share your feelings gently and honestly. God uses loving words to bring healing where silence once lived. The second mistake is communicating to win arguments instead of to understand. Many couples don't listen to connect. They listen to defend themselves. They interrupt. They raise their voices. They focus on proving who is right. But marriage is not a competition. When one spouse wins an argument, the marriage loses peace. Christian marriage calls us to humility, to patience, to love that listens. The solution is to listen with the intention to understand, not to respond. Slow down. Let your spouse finish speaking. Ask questions. Remember, you are not enemies. You are partners walking the same journey. The third mistake is using harsh words during moments of anger. Words spoken in anger leave deep wounds. Sarcasm, insults, raised voices, statements that cannot be taken back. Many couples apologize later, but the pain of those words remains. The Bible reminds us that words have power, the power to heal or to destroy. The fix is learning to pause before speaking. When emotions rise, step back. Take a breath. Pray silently. Choose gentleness over volume. A calm response can stop a small disagreement from becoming a lasting scar. The fourth mistake is assuming instead of asking. Assumptions are dangerous. You should have known. I thought you understood. You always do this. Assumptions replace clarity with confusion and often create problems that never needed to exist. In marriage, clarity is kindness. The solution is simple. Ask instead of assuming. Ask how your spouse feels. Ask what they meant. Ask what they need. Humility opens doors that assumptions close. The fifth mistake is forgetting to speak love daily. Many marriages do not lack love. They lack expressed love. Life becomes busy. Conversations revolve around bills, children, and responsibilities. Affection fades, appreciation goes unspoken. But marriage needs emotional nourishment. The fix is intentional love. Say thank you. Say, I appreciate you. Say, I'm proud of you. Speak encouragement daily. Love expressed regularly builds emotional safety, connection, and trust. As we reflect, here are 3 lessons every Christian couple should remember. First, communication is a spiritual responsibility, not just a relationship skill. Second, your words reveal your heart, and your heart should reflect Christ. Third, healthy communication builds strong marriages, and strong marriages build godly families. Marriage grows when both partners choose humility, patience, forgiveness, and love every single day. If this message touched your heart, take a moment today to check in with your spouse. Start one honest, gentle conversation. If you believe Christian marriages deserve healing, guidance, and hope, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone who needs encouragement. Together, we are building strong marriages, healthy families, and Christ-centered homes.